I'm Nancy. Welcome to visit our warehouse of raw materials. In addition to the storage management of incoming materials, there is a very important work in this warehouse is to IQC. Every day, our colleagues will check our incoming materials to ensure that the type and the quantity of incoming materials are consistent with the notification and meet the criteria of HSF. Random inspection is carried out according to STD 105E standard to ensure that the appearance of incoming materials is free from deformation, lack of materials peeling and yellowing, and the size conforms to our material specification standards. Also in accordance with the incoming inspection specification to ensure the electrical properties of materials, mechanic properties, reliability, safety, the packing conforms to simple letter of acceptance incoming material inspection standard. After passing the inspection, it can be stored. In the process of storage, appropriate temperature and humidity should be ensured. In order to ensure the quality of our finished products, we should do meticulous in every link, and excellent quality is our most important commitment to customers.